love it when I turn up the bass.
I like it. I like it.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
I just want to preface the video by saying that I just had to make the thumbnail. It is made unironically, and I don't mean any shade to Deeksha and her content on the Filmy Indian channel. I just found it hilarious in context to just how bad the film is. Anyway, you know, कभी-कभी जब हम काम कर रहे होते हैं, existential सी feelings overpower you, and you start rambling questions like, what is the point of life? What is my purpose? Does my profession hold any significance? Is there any point to this grind? This is exactly the trail of thought that I had as I sat and went through the torture that was Hello Charlie. Anmol, this isn't a movie to be analyzed. Itna kya intellectual ban raha hai? This movie is meant for kids. So while I completely contest that claim, I mean, for God's sake, the film has an item song where the woman is scantily clad, there is a bikini shoot as an introduction to a character, and there are gags referring to women as mal. So I don't really understand that hypothesis that this film is meant for children, but even if I admitted it, for some godforsaken reason, that it's meant for a young demographic, I wanted to put it to the test whether my young nephew, who's 15, enjoyed this film or not. So this is how it went for him when I sent him a voice note asking him on what he thought about the movie. Did you finally see it? Hello Charlie, कल बोला था देखने के लिए.
सीरियसली क्या रिकमेंडेशन थी? इससे तो मैं एवेंजर्स देख रहा था फिर से. मैं अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लास के बीच में पिक्चर देख रहा था. मेरे को लगा थोड़ा मूड तो अपलिफ्ट होगा, बट ये.
So moving on from there, what is Hello Charlie? How does it in any way get approved by a production company like Excel Entertainment that is known for its keen eye for engaging content? I mean, the movie focuses on Charlie, who comes to Mumbai in order to work towards repaying his deceased father's debt of 15 lakhs, and in the process takes up the job of a delivery boy. As most comedies have a hook, wherever Charlie goes, bad luck follows. When his guardian goes to Rajasthan for an annual Phat-Phata race, he comes across a woman who wants a gorilla transported to Diu. This is when Charlie makes use of his guardian's absence and his idle truck, and for an ample amount of money transports the gorilla to Diu. Little does he know that the gorilla that he is transporting is an absconding business tycoon who is fleeing the country due to excessive dues. Little does he know, moreover, that there is another gorilla on the loose, and the pandemonium that follows on this road journey forms the premise of Hello Charlie. Haven't I sold the movie enough for you to tune in immediately to watch how much of a train wreck it is? You know, I acknowledge that there are several types of comedies. You know, there is a screwball comedy genre that integrates love stories that were really popular in the 30s and 40s. Something like Mohanlal's 1988 film Chitram, or you look at parody films like Go Goa Gone, or black comedy like Oi Lucky Lucky Oi, and even Kalakandi. But what I believe Hello Charlie wants to be is a slapstick comedy. Then why is it that me and my 15-year-old nephew could not laugh for a single moment, even when it has actors like Rajpal Yadav and Brahma Mishra? It's because the writing is terrible. You know, it's like the standard jokes, like मैंने बोला था गांधी नगर जाओ शास्त्री के पास और तुम शास्त्री नगर चले गए गांधी के पास. You've got Kunal Vijayekar, who exudes a flamethrower when he fires someone, Jackie Shroff asking for a chessboard when the police is after him as it calms him down, and a woman that instructs the gorilla in the most weird way possible to ensure and convince Charlie that he is harmless.
शानदार मैडम. बुक्सी करो.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
You go through sequences of Jackie Shroff constantly reminding you that he hates bananas, and someone over a walkie-talkie saying alpha beta, only for Rajpal Yadav to say, हाँ बेटा, क्या problem है? ये उनमें से वो फिल्में हैं जिसमें मुझे सच में लगता है that you have to be supremely delusional to think that this will work in any shape and form. If credit needs to be given to anyone, it is the poor actor who is in the gorilla suit and who is constantly at it, physically performing all the gags. The rest of the cast is so forgettable. It's only been a come down for the poor gorilla in Bollywood movies. I mean, at least he was bearable in Phir Hera Fairy and Total Dhamal. Screw that, he was even good in that TV show called Thapki. I mean, what the hell was this? Imagine King Kong knowing about how we've treated his own kind. I mean, he's featuring in badass blockbusters and fighting Godzilla, and we have him here peeing in a urinal next to Aadar Jain for comedy. When you will see a drunk veterinarian play chess with a gorilla, an item song that you thought was something which Bollywood only did a few years ago, and Jackie Shroff throughout the film taking up the role of Iron Man in his suit, just looking around and reacting, you would want your time back. Even if it's just 1.5 hours. Is this my shortest video? I think it is. There's no reason why you should tune into Amazon Prime Video and watch this film. And that was the video, guys. Write down in the comments below what you thought about the movie. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The handle's right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support us by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you for watching.